Hey guys, look what's just turned up. My instasmile kit. Oh, I'm so excited. Let's have a look at the box.
Right, let's have a look. Oh, there's our instructions and the prepaid bag for sending it back. Oh, and the molds. Right, let's get cracking. So first up, make sure you brush and floss your teeth really well. After you've done that, then you can bring a pan of water to the boil, and then you're going to place the mold in the water very gently. Then you're going to let it boil for 90 seconds. Set a timer, people, and afterwards take it out with a slotted spoon and be very careful. Then you're going to let it cool for 3 minutes, and then you're going to use a mirror and place it in your mouth and push it up onto your teeth in the center. Then you're going to have to hold it there firmly for 5 minutes, rest your elbows on the table for support, then you can remove it from your mouth. Then we're going to take some pictures of the molds and your natural teeth and send it to the instasmile team for approval.
Now that's done, time to pop them in the bag. And then into the prepaid envelope. Make sure to keep an eye out for part 2 when they turn up and I'll be trying them on for the first time.